What's up, everyone? I have some market analysis here for you for today, which is Monday, May 8th, 2018. Got a couple things I want to share with everybody here today. This is a chart of the ES on a daily. As you can see, this was the February sell-off, and then these are Fibonacci levels as we're coming back up. So I show you that to show you where I am looking for this to go. So we came down here into support from Fibonacci projected from this level up here. And then we traded back up. We came up in here to a fire line, which is a resistance level. And we've kind of traded a little bit sideways. We had the announcement today on the Iran deal, which what I see here on this candle from yesterday, or on Friday, we had up and then we came back down, which could be classified and interpreted as a spike top rejection. But then we had this candle today, which could be considered a spike bottom rejection. So we're kind of in the middle of limbo here. The market did not really react to the announcement of the Iran deal on a terrible note. It was at I think it was at 2 o'clock right in here. We kind of chopped a little bit, came up, came down, and then we ended up finishing on the day about a quarter point up. So I show you that to show you what I think we've got going on here. If we can clear this and stay above this, which we did, we cleared it and then we dropped below it, but then we closed above this line right here. So what I'm looking for is trade up into these resistance levels. These being minor resistance levels because this is a 7-8% retracement from this swing here. So this is a minor retracement or a minor resistance level. And then these are other minor resistance levels coming in from Fibonacci that was from back here and other ones that were from, I think, right back in here. So that would be projected to here. And then seeing this run up here as a run up into here. Being resistance also. So these again would be, and we just opened at 6 o'clock, these again would be what I would consider intermediate resistance levels, and then these being more of a major resistance level. This is a 618 retracement from this high down to this low. This would be a 618 retracement coming back up. So as you can see, as we traded up here, this acted as resistance. We came up here with 100% projection here also, which kind of overlaps this 618. And we downturned, came up, downturned. So what I see here also is we need to clear this swing up here, and we need to clear it before that we can, obviously, get up into this area up here. But on a more bullish note, we need to clear this so that we have more of a clear direction on where the market possibly could be going here shortly. So that is the analysis that I have for you on the ES. I want to show you, and it's off to the races right now. So I want to show you a couple trades that I am currently in. Let me switch this over to a different spread here. This is Lockheed Martin. We need to go to Raytheon. Okay, and we're going to switch it over to the daily chart. You see this huge cup right here. Well, we're going to switch it over to daily chart, and you're going to be able to see something a little more in depth. Okay, so we had this huge sell-off here. Korea, you know, peace stuff and everything, which totally, I mean, decimated defense stocks. So it got down here, and I believe it has been oversold. It has been beat with a bat. So we came down here. We are coming back up, and with this whole thing with Iran that just got announced today, I think defense stocks are going to see some bullishness from that also. So what I've got here I want to show you is a butterfly on Raytheon centered around the 230 strike on the call side. And I picked this up for 50 cents. This being 10 points wide, my max profit on this is $950. And it only cost me $50. So the risk to reward ratio is very, very good. Yes, it is down at 37 cents right now because I picked it up on what would have been closer to the high of the day. But that does not bother me because I'm looking for what would be some sort of pin around the 230 mark on the 18th of May at this expiration. That is where I will make max profit. is if Raytheon pins at 230 on May 18th during expiration. But I am looking for some more low-hanging fruit on this trade because this could completely overshoot my butterfly also. This thing could run up to 240, 245, 250. It could. I mean, I don't know what the future holds. If I did, I'd put it right at the body, and I wouldn't be working for a living. I'd be doing this. So I need this to pin at 230, but I'm looking for some low-hanging fruit on this. I will probably put a good till cancel order in to sell this at $5, which will give me a 1,000% profit, buying it at $50 and selling it for $500. So that is what I'm looking for on Raytheon. And sticking with the defense stocks, you are going to see that Northrop Grumman looks a lot the same right here, except it is recovering a little more sharply. So I have projected some sort of resistance from here to here on this swing up, projected from here to here, being resistant somewhere up in this nature. This run up took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. Okay. Right now we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. That means 4 more days possibly to get to here, but I don't see it happening that fast. So what I have on this also, being Northrop Grumman, another butterfly. I have a butterfly centered around the 350 strike. Again, for 18 May, the 350 strike right up here at the resistance, which again, I purchased this for $1.02. Currently trading for $1. Well, 2 cents off, no big deal. I opened the business today, so it's not that big of a deal. Looking for a pin at 350 on expiration here of 18 May. Again, I am going for some low-hanging fruit on this because it could completely overshoot my butterfly by the 18th of May. Or it could possibly not get there. So what I'm looking for is possibly like a $5 sale price again. So that is what I'm probably going to set a good till cancel order of $5 on Raytheon and $5 on NOC for my defense plays with some more bullishness in this market up until 350 again in Northrop Grumman. So going on with the butterflies, I have one in Amazon right now. I will show you. Okay. Currently sitting right now at about $15.92, and we've been, after earnings, we've just kind of been consolidating in this general region right here. So what I have is a pin on Amazon looking for 1,600. This is only 5 wide. I only purchased this for 18 cents, though. I literally have $18 in risk in this whole trade. So if this comes up and pins at 1,600 by 18 May, I will be looking at $4.82 profit on an 18-cent investment. So do the math on that. It's a lot as far as percentage gains go. But I have currently working orders. I currently have an order for this Amazon Fly to close it out at $3.50. So that is what I'm looking for in Amazon. I'm not looking to take the entire full profit. I'm just looking for $3.50 and get out. These trades will not come in to where the profitable range would be until we get a lot closer to the 18th of May. Right now, if this were to come up to 1,600, there's still a lot of premium in this short call. So the premium's still going to be there. I'm sorry, these short calls. The premium's still going to be there, so it needs to whittle away at that premium by the 18th of May for this to really come into the money. So if we get somewhere in this neighborhood by the 16th, 17th, 18th, and if it's at 350, it will auto sell it for me. So I will probably put in a good till cancel order again on Raytheon and Northrop Grumman for $5 and take about half profit on those. And then get out of those. So those are the butterflies that I currently have on. Any questions, anything, hit me up, PM me, whatever you want to do. But I hope everybody has a green week, and we will catch y'all on the flip side.